Hello, welcome to our program Análise Diária. My name is Fernando Bender and we perform analysis of Bitcoin prices with our software Wild Horses and current market data. Our program has 5 weekly editions. It airs daily except on Fridays and Sundays. On Sundays we have special editions on altcoins where we perform analysis of Ether and Litecoin BTC pairs. Don't forget to sign up to our channel and activate the notification to be informed of new editions like this one. Let's dive into the graphics. In the first graphic we see here the Bitcoin prices quoted in Tether on exchange Binance. The prices are framing channels that, according to our software Wild Horses, best describe its behavior. What we see here is that we are at the top of the channel. It was tested on its bottom once it was formed in early March, and now we have made all the way through the top, and now we are struggling to break it. The volume has increased, which was positive, but on the recent day, on the last day, it decreased. However, in this Monday, we will see in the current market data, which is not depicted in this chart, the volume has increased severely, and that is not just enough to sustain the current levels, as it is likely to break to this top and take us to new highs. So we exceed here the 4,130 tethers that were achieved in end February. Let's dive into our expectation for current day. Considering only the previous closing, we see here the possibility, yes, of a move down, closing the day at 4,059 tethers for this 1st of April. The admissible interval ranges from 4,032 to 4,085, and we have here an error margin of 0.66%, meaning that we're forecasting 99.34% correctly of the price from one day to the other. However, this analysis does not include intraday data, especially the one today, and as we'll see right now, we'll dive into the market. We enter here in Binance, and we will see here that the volume traded today in the half the day, we still have not reached half the day. It is in 30 minutes from now. We have already exceeded the volume of the previous day, and that's a huge increase. So we are likely to double the volume of previous day, and that's very much likely to not just keep the prices above the 4,100 line, but however to break through the previous top at the end of February and take us above in a possible test in the 4,200 in the next days, provided the volume remains in current levels. If we look here in a weekly basis, we see that we have been in a congestion range that starts in the bottom in the 3,200 and ends at the 4,200, and we have been steadily moving up, and we were having a very high volume. However, in the previous week we have presented a slight decrease in the volume traded. However, the week that ended this Sunday had an increase in volume compared to previous week, equaling the previous week of that. That is possibly a reverse in the volume, and that's the strength that we need to not just keep this level but break through. Were we having a decrease in the volume traded following up the sequel of the previous weeks, we were expecting a move down and a possibly test at the end of this range at the 3,200. However, this is a weekly move, so it might take a few weeks to complete itself. However, because of this turn point in the volume, we believe we are now having the strength and building up an accumulation that was likely to break through this congestion region on the top and bring us back to the 6,000 range. However, there is a congestion region here in the 5,600 that we are likely to experience. That is our analysis for today. We thank you for your audience, and we stress the point that cryptocurrencies are important assets, new asset class, but it's likely a wise idea to diversify your investment. However, diversifying your investment within cryptocurrencies is not an effective diversification because they are highly correlated at the exception of stable coins. So we invite you to consider having some gold, especially physical gold, and considering Schiff Gold as a possible provider. So visit the website schiffgold.com. We are their affiliate and we recommend this service that we are also a client. Thank you very much for your audience. Don't forget to sign up to our channel. Don't forget to activate the notification link so you will be informed of new videos like this one. We see you in our next program. Bye.